You could definitely do more with it. I just don't want to. I don't really have anything more for like costume wise, hair wise, but makeup wise you could do a lot more. I could do a lot more. I just don't really feel like it. But if you want to learn how to do the basic stuff like some of this, that, this, then watch. So Isabelle has like a red little bow, and she has like a green vest, which these are just the closest things I have. And you can probably find stuff easy in Goodwill, or and you can just make it pretty easily. This is just like the closest kind of skirt I had. So, alright, now Isabella is a hard one because she doesn't really have any makeup. So, it's a little bit up to interpretation. This is going to be more of an inspired one. Some videos in this animal camp pocket this series are going to be like direct copies. Some of them are going to be like inspired, and then some of them will be like a mix of both. So like some of them will just be like following the color scheme, some of them will be like directly like face paint and everything. The hair. So I actually don't have a blonde wig right now. Crazy, I know. I used to have like 20 and then I dyed them all. So I'm just gonna be using my hair. Taking my hair down in this lovely heat. And like that. Taking about half of it.
As fresh as the breeze in the dew in the morning. Never felt it dry where you fill my cup.
Now, I have the means to do exactly what makeup she has on her face, like face paint. But as you can see by how greasy I am, it's hot. So we're not doing that. We're doing inspired makeup. I'm not even going to put on foundation because it's nasty. It's really hot for Halloween. So it looks like she has some orange blush. I guess let's start with the eyes. It looks like she has like a thick black liner. And I'm just gonna do like some yellows on the eyes. So let's go. So I'm starting out with the Avon eyeshadow primer. I love this primer.
You blessed me so damn good I barely could stay up. Never felt it dry where you fill my cup.
I'll actually be using a white primer, considering I'm going to be using light and bright colors, but whoops. LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in Seashells.
Take you on a picnic, then for a ride. Ride it out, ride. Put the door open, baby, let me come inside.
I'm gonna go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by Beige Cosmetics. I love this palette. Only palette you'll ever need. Has every single color, including neutrals. sponsor me. Anyways, we're gonna just take a random ass brush. I'm not really gonna do much with my eyes. I'm just gonna take this light color. I think this actually might be neon. Maybe I shouldn't do this. For the heck of it, I'll take a blending kind of brush with the color right next to it. Just kind of blend her out into the... I didn't think the color next to it would be that pigmented. Whoops. Well, I look awful, but that's okay, because I'm taking this off right after I finish filming. Black liner then. Just kind of do that basic thick black liner she has. I have one black liquid liner, so I'm gonna take it and just do a thick black line.
My favorite pick me up, no plans. I'd rather stay in with ya, hot damn. Still tasted on my tongue. You my baby like feeling.
And I tried to like make them bigger and rounder in the middle, but you know, the NYX Strictly Vinyl Lipstick Lip Gloss in the black shade Femme Fatale, and just do a little bit of an oval on my nose. I'm gonna use a brush because my nose is really gross right now, and I don't want to put this on my nose and then put that on my lips later.
Got on the knee like she praying to Jesus. Niggas call us when they need us. I've been trapping all week, got 2 or 3 beepers, and my shooters on go.
Okay. Next, I guess all there is really... Oh wait, the orange, iconic orange blush she has. Let's go to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I believe that would be this shade right here.
Oh, say you a hitter, my nigga, that's a no-no. It's a bitch in a bando. She heard you coming in and she ran out the back door. Can we just chill for...
And the lips. Depending on the picture, her lips look brown or gray. So I think I'm gonna try the gray first, and then I'll try the brown. If this is too dark, I'll try the brown. Wait, it's like a light gray if it is gray, so this is gonna be too dark. I already know. So going in with the Wet n Wild Nudie Patootie. I'm only gonna do the bottom lip because she has like a... She's like white like me, so we don't have top lips here.
Oh wow. I'ma tell you how you make me feel when you smile. I'ma show you how a nigga live.